Today we will look at Ayurvedic diet. 1. Principles of Ayurvedic diet. In the grand tapestry of life, Ayurveda paints a simple truth: food is our medicine, the nourishment that fuels our body, mind, and spirit. It's not just about what we put on our plate, but also how and when we eat, and the reasons behind our choices. The Ayurvedic diet is a dance of balance, a feast of wellness that harmonizes the doshas, the essential energies that shape our health. 2. The harmony of foods and dosha. Different foods play different tunes within the dosha. Sweet foods, like ripe fruits or honey, sour ones, like lemons or yogurt, and salty ones, like seaweed or olives, calm the restless wind of Vata. Pitta, the internal flame, finds solace in the sweet serenity of grains, the calming touch of bitter greens, and the soothing embrace of astringent apples or lentils. For Kapha, the hearty earth, the energetic beat of spicy ginger, the cleansing notes of bitter turmeric, and the rejuvenating echoes of astringent tea or beans hit the right chords. 3. The symphony of balanced meals for each dosh. Imagine a meal that quiets the bustling winds of Vata. Warm, cooked grains like rice or quinoa form the base, cooked vegetables add a medley of flavors and a dash of ghee. The clarified butter lends a comforting touch. For Pitta, visualize a soothing summer breeze. A cucumber salad lays the foundation, lightly cooked vegetables add a variety of tastes, and basmati rice, light and aromatic, tops it all off. The meal for Kapha is a lively, invigorating ensemble. Steamed vegetables set the stage, a sprinkle of spices adds a burst of flavor, and a small portion of lean protein, like chicken or fish, completes the arrangement. 4. Making the most of the Ayurvedic diet. The Ayurvedic diet is like a melody that resonates with your unique rhythm, a symphony of taste tailored to your individual needs. It's about listening to your body's signals, understanding what it needs, and feeding it accordingly. The first step to a balanced Ayurvedic diet is understanding your dominant dosh. This helps guide your food choices, aligning them with your body's unique needs. Next, focus on incorporating a variety of tastes into your meal. This ensures a balanced diet and helps keep the doshas in harmony. Remember to eat mindfully, savoring each bite and appreciating the nourishment it brings. Avoid overeating and try to eat your main meal when the sun is at its peak. In essence, the Ayurvedic diet isn't just about eating, it's about nurturing a healthier, more balanced version of yourself. It's a feast of wellness, a dance of balance that feeds your body and soul, tuning you into the symphony of life. This is a simple lookout into Ayurvedic diet. See you in next video. Peace out.